Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. In today's video, we're going to be doing pulled pork sandwiches. Now let's go inside and get things started. Hey, we're back inside. We're back in the Triple R kitchen. So for today's video, we're going to be doing, like I said, the pulled pork sandwiches. For the ingredients, simple, basic. Have it's almost an 8.5 pound pork shoulder. Of course, your mustard for the base, and then my dry rub that I make myself. And like I said, for another hot day, cold beers. Don't forget that. So let's get things started. Simple, just gonna put the base down. The mustard. Just so that dry rub has something to stick to. Just something light, nothing too heavy. I'm gonna flip it around. Put a little bit more on here. Got that. I'm going to take my glove off. Now I'm just going to put the dry rub as evenly as you can. You can go as heavy or as light as you would like. I like to go just a little bit heavy. Now just flip it around. Try and get, all the areas if you can. Top, bottom, and the sides. Just stab it up. Get the shank side. Just got that done. So now we're ready for the grill. We'll see you outside. Alright guys, here we have the pork shoulder. So now we're going to just get it on the grill. Fire's ready. So let's get the pit opened up. I'm going to put it with the fat side down. Got a nice hot little fire, so now we'll just move it up. Alright guys, here we have the final product. We have our pork shoulder for our pulled pork sandwiches. Been on the grill for a total time, 8 hours. So we actually smoked it for about 4 hours, and then we went ahead and wrapped it with foil for about another 3.5 to 4 hours. So here we have the final product. Like I said, we have our potato salad. We like to complement with our white onions and our pickles. That's just the way we like to eat it. So let's go ahead and just dig into it. So comes off very, very easy, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and just pile it on. We like to eat it with our Texas toast, is the way we like to do. So wow, that's a little bit warm, so just be careful. But it's just coming off the bone very easy. As you can see, it just comes off. So get that nice. That's nice and clean. So I'm gonna dig in there, get a little bit of the top portion. So like I said, it's still a little bit warm, but damn, it's hot. So here we have some of the shank side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some white onion, put a couple of pickles on there. You don't need mustard, you don't need mayonnaise, you don't need ketchup, you don't need any of that. It might be a little bit messy, but damn well worth it. Wish you guys could smell this. It smells great, it smells wonderful, but check this out. Don't you wish you had smell-o-vision? I do. You know what? Let's go and take a bite. Wow. You can taste the smokiness. You can taste the spices. Great. But you know what goes great with this sandwich? Nice cold beer. You know what, guys? If you try this recipe, give us a thumbs up. Also, leave your comments. And guys, please don't forget, hit the subscribe button, and we appreciate that. And you know what, guys? We'll see you next round.